What's going on, y'all? Welcome to the Mastablendz Grilling and Cooking channel. My name is Trey, and today we're going to be making smoked salmon. Stay tuned. All right, y'all. Welcome back to the channel. So today I'm about to show you how I do my smoked salmon. We'll be doing it a little different. You can do a wet brine and a dry brine on these salmons. I'm gonna stick with the dry brine today because I'm a little short for time, but I mean, either way, the results are gonna come out fantastic. So what I'm gonna be using this red rack spice rub, the seafood. I'm gonna use this as a brine, and I'm also gonna put a little bit of salt on there with it. Then we're gonna sit this in the refrigerator for about 30 minutes, and then we're gonna pull it back out. So first thing we're gonna do, we're gonna go ahead and coat this. Not too crazy, because we got some more seasoning we're gonna put on this. There we go. Just like that, we're gonna go ahead and take this, put this in the refrigerator for about 30 minutes. Be right back. All right, you guys, it's been about 35 minutes. As you can see, the salt has pulled some of the moisture up, which is what I'm looking for right now. So we're gonna go ahead and coat this. I got 3 different seasonings. You seen the one earlier with the red rack seafood rub. Also gonna be using this Kingsford lemon pepper seasoning. And I'm gonna be using this red lobster seafood seasoning. So let's go ahead and get the coat. All right, that's it. We're gonna go ahead and put a little bit of lime, a little bit of lemon on here. All right, I got my smoker set at 275. Let's go ahead and load her up. All right, let's go ahead and load it up. Just like that. All right, we're trying to get internally about 145, 150. We're gonna check it in probably about 30 minutes. All right, be back. Okay, y'all, we sitting at like 120. It's been about 40 minutes. I'm gonna go ahead and glaze it with some honey. Like so. We're gonna wait till we hit that temp at 145. All right, be back. All right, you guys, my timer went off. We sitting at like 147 right now, so I'm gonna go ahead and pull this thing off. It's gonna be time to eat. All right, see you in a second. All right, you guys, there we have it. Smoked salmon. Right off that smoker, we sit pretty right now. Look at that right there, man. I'm about to dig into this thing. But yeah, man, ain't nothing to it. That's all you gotta do. Smoked salmon, man. I appreciate you guys for watching. My name is Trey. This is Mastablendz. Remember to go ahead and hit like, share, subscribe, leave a comment. Let me know what you want me to cook next. Man, y'all know my motto. It's time to eat. Catch you later.